Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Friends, in today's vlog I want to share an important safety message. As you know, Himachal Pradesh is currently facing a disaster situation with heavy rains, landslides and flood creating serious danger. If you are traveling here or living in this region, please take care of your safety. Avoid going out unless it is necessary and always follow the official advisories. The beauty of nature can only be enjoyed when we are safe. So please stay alert and stay safe and take care of yourself, your loved ones also. Thank you for watching my channel. Stay safe and stay healthy.